Fatty liver detox. You may have heard the term, fatty liver detox, but do not know what it means. A fatty liver detox is the use of a diet that will specifically detoxify the liver. It's a diet that will start the reversal of the cells affected by fatty liver disease to normal. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to be informed, share and like the video. This is not making any type of medical claim. The liver is one of the only organs in the body that we know of that can and does regenerate itself when you give it what it needs. A fatty liver detox may be a juice cleanse or a diet with specific foods. Here's an example of a fatty liver detox that is a juice cleanse. Breakfast. Wake me up juice, carrot apple strawberry spinach lemon juice. Lunch. Green juice supreme, tomato kale spinach parsley carrot bell pepper cilantro juice. Dinner. Beauty juice, carrot bell pepper cucumber parsnip celery juice. You can see that this juice diet is full of vegetables, which are the #1 food to start the liver regeneration. Fasting on fresh juices includes drinking water in between the juices. There may be a weight loss that occurs on this detox, but vegetable fruit juices are loaded with nutrients. 1 pound of carrots gives you 1 cup of juice, and it has more nutrients than what you could eat if you sat down to eat carrots. You can ease into this fatty liver detox by eliminating caffeine and alcohol from your diet for a week prior to starting this fatty liver juice detox. You can also decrease the processed foods and sugar in your diet, as both of these foods provide no benefits for you and your liver. The fatty liver juice detox may be done for 3 days, 5 days, a week, 2 weeks, or even 30 to 45 days. Your body tells you when it's finished with the fatty liver detox by giving you ideas to eat again. These aren't ideas such as, that bacon really smells good, or, I would love a Krispy Kreme donut right now. But instead, they are ideas such as, I must start eating today, and it's time to eat. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to be informed, share and like the video. Here's an example of a fatty liver detox with meals instead of with juice. Breakfast. Fresh tomato basil juice, omelette with vegetables, whole grain toast with butter, orange segments. Snack. Protein shake. Lunch. Raw vegetable salad with spinach, romaine lettuce, tomatoes, carrots, radishes, broccoli, hot peppers, artichoke hearts, tangerine segments, walnuts, steak, and parsley. Snack. Apple. Dinner. Salmon, yam, asparagus, whole grain roll with butter, cherries, blueberries, and strawberries. Snack. Handful of raw sprouted almonds soaked in water overnight and rinsed. You can see that eating a fatty liver detox diet is full of plenty of flavors and great tastes to delight your taste buds, yet it has no processed foods, no alcohol, no excessive amounts of sugar or salt, and is full of green vegetables to regenerate the liver. Get more information here. https://bit.ly/2p3gz9j